Investing, more than a matter of money, is a matter of timing. It's not just a question of having the capital, but knowing where to put it and when. If it was easy, everyone would do it. They wouldn't spend years in different schools trying to understand the nature of the market and predict it, just to be surprised when alarms start sounding off and they suddenly no longer have a beach house in the Hamptons. And crypto, just like any other kind of investing, whether that's stocks, bonds, or investing in yourself through deep breathing and meditation, is a matter of timing. And time might be running short to secure a winning position on crypto's biggest rise. We're talking, of course, about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen a resurgence this year after some serious tumbles in the snowdrifts of crypto winter. With the fallout from FTX contagion, Bitcoin dropped down to around $16,000 in November of last year, which is a long, precipitous drop from BTC's record high of $69,000. But as we mentioned, Bitcoin recently hovered around $30,000, some ticks up, some drops down. However, this may be your last chance to hop on the Bitcoin rocket before this thing takes off for the moon. Why? For two major reasons. First, you may have heard that old phrase, buy the dip, when it comes to stocks. Buy the dip really just being a catchier version of, buy low, sell high. You want to maximize your investment by buying an asset when it's as cheap as possible. Bitcoin is dipping right now because of factors like withdrawal delays surrounding high Bitcoin fees, and the US government's recent sell-off of Bitcoin confiscated from Silk Road. All of that, compounded by Binance having to pause withdrawals due to increasingly high demand, has Bitcoin dipping right now and hovering around the $27,000 mark. But Bitcoin could be primed to absolutely explode, because the Bitcoin halving will be here soon than you think. April of 2024 will mark the fourth Bitcoin halving, when the reward for Bitcoin mining will have from 6.25 per block to 3.125. And though that does slice the reward in half, halving is actually a crucial part of keeping Bitcoin happy and healthy. Historically, a halving has represented a serious surge in the price of Bitcoin. Again, legally, this newsletter does not constitute investment advice. We're just a friend that likes to keep you up to date. But if something was going to happen to a stock, and that same thing had happened 3 times previously and the price went up, wouldn't you opt in before the next cycle? Seems like a no-brainer, but maybe you've already got plenty of BTC and you're waiting for this halving as jittery as a kid on Christmas Eve. Whatever your entry level, if you're interested in learning more about crypto plays like this, or even how to come up with some of your own,